Hi everyone, let's read some stories. Right now we're going to read Let It Rain. Let it rain, it is spring. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips, honeybees. Digging, tilling seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. But then heavy downpours, rivers flood, our flower garden turns to mud. Let it rain, rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, picnics swinging in the sun. Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens and little chicks. Building, painting way up high, our little house up in the sky. But then black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants. Let it rain, riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, bebop beat. But soon, steamy classroom, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. Hooray, hooray, last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. Summer is coming, let it shine. My friends, I hope you enjoyed my story. I'll see you later.